As the year was winding down, one of our main goals at Condo Domain was to do something for charity this year. That myself, Tony Longo, and John Keith will be running about a 10-mile road race. The Condo Run is a tour of the downtown Boston marketplace, highlighting 20 of the most exciting new lifestyle condominium developments.
Condo Run is a great idea. I was really happy that Tony had contacted me about being a part of it. This is a way to show off the city, show off its past and also its near future.
We're getting a lot of the developers involved to raise funds and donations
for two of the largest homeless shelters in the city, the St. Francis House and the Pine Street Inn.
While also giving people an idea of what's out there in way of new construction.
It's pretty brisk out today. It's going to be cold, but we're going to have a lot of fun, and we will see you guys at the finish line. See you soon. We're here on the last leg. We've completed our race. We wanted to thank you, all the people who contributed to the Condo Run and the two great charities.
We started strong and went from there, and we're able to do it within several hours. If you want to share this with as many people as you can, I think they'll get a kick out of our video. If you visit our website, make sure you click on our sponsors links and also the developments to learn more about them. And also, if you want to know more about the St. Francis House or the Pine Street Inn, click through there as well. Thanks again.